Good morning, friends. Welcome back to my channel, Advocate Jayashrie's Musings on Law. On August 27th, a very small but very important judgment was passed by the Honorable Punjab and Haryana High Court, saying that doctor's prescription, the handwriting in the doctor's prescription should be legible because there is a fundamental right of health to all the citizens of the country. So, if the doctor is unable to write in proper handwriting, then it leads to a lot of confusion. Pharmacists are, of course, experienced and they know how to read a doctor's prescriptions, but sometimes there may occur mistakes, which, because this deals with the health of the patients, some of them who are very sick and who are on their deathbed or something serious like that. So, it is very important to be given the proper medications, proper injections, etc. And even if it is a very small, some sickness, even then it is very important because every citizen has a right to health. Therefore, it has been directed by the Honorable Punjab and Haryana High Court, directing the National Medical Commission to make it compulsory. It's not compulsory, to make it a habit for the doctors to write in legible handwriting. At least till all the systems are all digitalized. Now we find many hospitals and clinics and even independent clinics where there is only one doctor, like how it used to be earlier, to make it digitalized. So whatever are their observations, whatever are the medicines that they are prescribing, what is the diagnosis, everything is digitalized now. But still there are a few doctors who write the prescriptions, who physically write the prescriptions in their handwriting. So then that becomes a little difficult. This is the reason why the Honorable Punjab and Haryana High Court has directed the National Medical Commission also to take some action, to come forward and put in their efforts to see to it that the doctors write in legible handwriting. This is very important for the health of a person, to maintain the health of the person. Therefore, this direction has been made. So, we cannot call it a judgment or something like that. We can just say that it's a direction by the Honorable Punjab and Haryana High Court. I just wanted to share this with you so that next time you go to the pharmacist, you can at least verify whether the injection or the medicine which is prescribed by the doctor is exactly the same as what the pharmacist is giving. If it is a digital, then of course there is absolutely no issues. But if it is in handwriting, physically written handwriting, then please make sure that everything is right, appropriate. Thank you.